Hey guys, David here from the Dublin Academy of Education, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Pythagoras Theorem. Classic one, it's going to be on the exam almost every single year, and it's something we really need to know. Now, we have a right angle triangle out here. We're asked to find this side here, x. What we're going to do is we're going to whip out the Pythagoras formula. It's on page 13 of your logbook, and it says c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now, some teachers teach it as a squared equals b squared plus c squared, or a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Don't worry about a, b, and c. What we're trying to figure out is what side is the hypotenuse. Now, what do I mean by hypotenuse? It is the side that is opposite the right angle. That's what we call the hypotenuse. So we find our right angle, it's the side that's opposite that. So this side here with x is going to be our hypotenuse. What are we going to do for Pythagoras Theorem? Don't worry about a, b, and c because that can get messy and get confusing. What you're going to do is you're going to take the hypotenuse, square it, and then let it equal to the other two sides. So hypotenuse squared equals the other two sides squared. So what we're going to say is x squared equals the other one, 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's how you fill in the formula. Hypotenuse on one side of the equal sign and the other two sides on the other side. Now you just use your calculator, tidy it up. You know, what's 3 squared? It's 9. What's 4 squared? It's 16. X squared equals 9 plus 16. X squared equals 25. Now, how do we get x here? We're going to take what's called the square root. So the square root of x equals the square root of 25, which gives you an answer of 5. That's how the Pythagoras theorem works. Now, what if we're not trying to find the hypotenuse? I'll draw another right angle triangle out here. And this time, we know that that side is 13. We have a right angle triangle, and we know that this side is 5. And we're trying to find this side down here. What are we going to do? Same idea, labeled hypotenuse. This one here is the hypotenuse. So we're going to put that into the formula. I'll put it up at the top here so you can see it. We'll say 13 squared, the hypotenuse, equals 5 squared plus x squared. Now you're trying to solve for x, get it by itself. Move the 5 over, so do 13 squared minus 5 squared equals x squared. Type that into your calculator, take the square root, and you'll get your answer. What you're going to be left there is an answer of x equals 12. So even if the hypotenuse is not the one that you're trying to find, all you need to do is just do that little move there, bring it over to the other side, and you'll be able to solve for x no matter what using Pythagoras theorem.